Hi, welcome to the Quantity Surveying Studio. So as you have already seen the thumbnail of this video, this is the 100th video that I am uploading in my channel, Quantity Surveying Studio. So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe for more quantity surveying related videos. And thanks a lot for the support shown to this channel. Without the support, without the comments, without the likes, without the shares for all the videos, this 100th video would never have been possible. So thanks a lot for that. In this video, I thought that I will just revisit my journey. I'll go back to the time when I decided to start off this channel and share with you how I started this channel, what made me start this channel. So this channel I started in the month of September 2020. So the reason actually I was working in UAE in a contracting company, in MAP contracting company, and due to the pandemic situation, most of the staff were asked to take unpaid leave. They were asked to go back to their home countries until the situation becomes normal. Due to that, I came back to India. I was on unpaid leave. So it was like both a sad situation and a happy situation. Sad obviously because there was no job, salaries were not there, and there were a lot of uncertainties on the professional side of my life. But the happy thing was that I was able to spend more time with my family. I was going back home. I was a new father and I really did not spend much time with her, and this was a great opportunity, and that made me really happy. Also on the personal side, it was a happy situation. Once I came back, I came back in the month of June actually. Yeah, in the month of June I came back. So then it was more or like due to the COVID situation, there were not much activities happening outside. So it was mostly at home, spending time with your family, and gradually I felt that I was losing touch with my professional side, like all the concepts in quantity surveying. I was kind of getting that vibe. So then I started looking online, but again, when you go through some articles online, when you read some articles, you watch videos, but that actually was not really helpful because there would be an interest initially, but then that just goes down within a few minutes. So that was really not helping. I even thought of taking some courses, but again, it was not really that helpful. So then I thought I'll make as a second form of income, I thought I'll make something, I'll do something from which I can get some part-time income. And many people were doing that also during the COVID time. They were trying to do some activities that could help them with additional income. As you all know, YouTube was getting very popular that time. Many people were starting new channels. Mainly the main focus was to get money from it, and there were also a lot of online digital marketing happening, digital related activities happening. Again, the focus was to earn additional income. So then at that point of time, like most of you, I also thought that come on, let's make a YouTube channel. So then I first thought that come on, let's make something, since we are already inside the house, something we cannot go out, we cannot do any travel vlogs or any food eating vlogs outside. So my main focus was to make something, some content that could be made at home. So initially I thought, okay, we'll do a cooking channel. My mom will make the dishes, we'll make a video on it, we'll put the camera and then she will explain it, then we'll upload it. And that was the first thing that we thought of making. And we started also, we made initially 2-3 videos, but then again that interest went out because it has to, there are many people involved in it. If your mom is not much interested, again your interest will also go off. So then I felt that okay, now if I'm making a channel, it should be something that only I must be involved in it, so that there I should not depend on others, because if someone else is not interested, my interest will also automatically go. I felt that I'll make something where I'll just focus on it, not getting help from others. So at that point of time, I thought, come on, let's make a video, something, some content, some videos related to quantity surveying, whatever experience I've gained, whatever knowledge I've gained, I'll share it with others. Just making a YouTube channel, I felt that really would not be that helpful because you need to know how to market it. So I went through some digital marketing courses from Udemy. I learned the different ways of how you can market your YouTube channel or any online content that you're making. So then I learned through it. I understood what I have to do, how after making a YouTube channel, how I can market it, how I can reach my audience. I started off the YouTube channel around September 11th. That was the date when I started my channel. I made the channel, I made a PPT. If you go through my initial videos, you can see that they were all PPTs. They were not dialogues in it, just few PPT slides and with some background music, and that is how I started it. Then as a part of marketing, I made different pages in different social medias related to my channel, Facebook, Instagram. I started marketing. I started putting videos. I started joining different groups in Facebook, and I started marketing all my videos through these social media channels. And initially it was slow, like every channel, it is slow, and definitely my channel is a niche that is focusing on QS professionals inside the construction industry. So definitely the audience will be less. You have to find out your audience, and your audience, more importantly, your audience has to find this channel because of the limited number of audience related to quantity surveying. So initially I started posting my videos in LinkedIn, in Facebook, and slowly people started watching it, liking it, and appreciating it. And around Feb, almost after 5 months, I got my 1,000 subscribers. That was a really great achievement, and slowly with the support, with the comments, with the likes, with the shares, my interest increased. Actually, even when I was starting this channel, I also had this thought that how can I make different videos, because I need to be consistent. So will I be able to have that many topics to make videos on? That was also a major concern. But then as time went by, from the comments, from the advice given by my subscribers, from my LinkedIn connection, I started getting topics, different contents, and slowly, weekly, I tried to put a video. Usually I try to put videos on Sunday. Then I also started putting some quiz related to quantity surveying student in the community tab. So if you are following my channel, you could see different polls adding knowledge to your quantity surveying skills. So as of date now, we are a family of around 6,800 members, and the reach that quantity surveying studio has achieved is really satisfying for me. If I go through the analytics of my YouTube channel, almost 30% of my videos are viewed through YouTube search. So that is a really happy analytic for me, because if you are having almost 30% of your audience coming and viewing your channel, that means people are finding your channel and seeing it. And another analytics that I want to share is the audience ratio, the female to male ratio. Initially, if I remember, almost 3 or 4 months back, it was almost 96% male and just 4% female, but it has really increased in the last few months. So it has gone, now if I see the analytics, almost 10% of my viewers are female audience and the remaining are the male audience. So that is also a great thing to see. So thank you for the support shown to this channel, and with this support, I am sure that Quantity Surveying Studio will be putting up contents and videos throughout, and there will be a lot of topics that I am planning to put videos on. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Thanks a lot for this 100th video. Take care, stay safe, bye.